Hey, welcome everyone to unboxing of the Sennheiser HG250BT wireless headphones. So from the box they advertise is the battery capability, and on the other side they have what contents come out of the box. And on the other side of the box they mention that they have aptX capability connection, which is great to see, something Sennheiser seems to boast about a lot, but that's a good thing, right? That's like one of the latest and greatest codec supports for audio quality for certain Android devices, certain chipsets, if you will, actually, more specifically. And it looks like I opened the box upside down. Not a big deal. So we'll start with the documentation because I would have got the headphones, but I opened the box upside down. So one document is the quick start guide in various languages. It's just a big pamphlet, but I assume that the setup will be rather simple. And the next one is compliance information. Another one is like safety information, again in various languages. So we're not going to open that up because it's kind of boring stuff. Going into the headphones themselves, let's take a look at what we got in here. And right off the bat, they are very unique looking, but one of the things I noticed right away is the loose cable. They're not even like hidden. That's not attractive at all, right? You would think there'd be some sort of effort made to kind of hide or conceal the cable. I'm not sure if that's done intentionally, but not a good look right off the bat. Continuing on, I was looking for the cable for charging, but there it is. It's a USB-A to USB-C. But if you want to see the review of these headphones, you can find a link to that in the video description. Also in the video description, you can find links to my website and social media networks. Be sure to hit the like button. It does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.